Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today we have a 1946 Chevy pickup. Nice farm truck. 350 motor. Turbo 400 transmission. It's got a 12-bolt rear under there as well. With 373 gears. Super solid body. No rust issues at all. .350 is very strong. Power disc brakes up front. Drums in the rear. They're all brand new brakes in the rear too, with new cylinders and everything. Love the Art Deco design of this truck. It is just fantastic. Lowered a little bit, it's got a killer stance. Brand new master cylinder, power brakes. Wide whites. Visor really sets it off nicely. Very hard to find that visor. Gas tank's been relocated to the rear. It's got a stainless tank. That's actually the gas cap right there. Dual exhaust. I think there's Flowmaster mufflers under there. Battery is also relocated to the bed. Inside we got buckets. Like vinyl. Dynomat under here as well. Super solid truck. Tilt wheel. Odometer gauges showing 5,884 miles. That's on the build. Pop out windshield. Added gauges. Brand new master K&N Air Filter, performance high-rise manifold, brand new alternator, cast iron manifold, Thompson valve covers. It's got a new radiator also with an electric fan. Runs real nice. A Holley performance manifold, Holley carburetor with electronic choke, electronic ignition. Real nice patina on this truck. Electric fan is on the thermostat. Pretty cool. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.